Hello guys, el día de hoy ya empezamos con nuestra página 94 and 95. We read the story about the sports. In this case is soccer, and I'm going to read it. That way you can listen to the words that you might find a little bit hard for you. Okay, so the title is Goal. Okay, goal. Number one dice, good luck, Castle School. Look at Millie. She likes soccer. Number two, run, Anna. Are you running, Leo? I'm running. I'm not running. I'm jumping. Number three, goal. Great goal, Leo. Number four, goal. The score is River School 1, Castle School 1. Okay. Number five, kick, Leo. I'm kicking. 6. Oh, my leg. I'm coming, Leo. Number 7, goal. Great goal, Millie. You're playing soccer. And number 8, River School 1, Castle School 1, and Millie 1. Ok, bueno, recuerden que después de leer, we have to complete these activities. Number 1 dice, who says it? Choose and write. Vamos a escoger quién dice estas oraciones. I'm running, I'm jumping, I'm coming, I'm not running, I'm kicking, and you're playing soccer. Vamos a escribir el nombre de quien dice cada una de estas partes. Y después, activity number 3, read. How many goals in total? Van a leer, ahí dice cuántos goles metieron. Y van a addition. Van a sumar all the goals to get the total. Vamos a encontrar el total. Ok. Después, lo último, circle, then listen and check. Así que vamos a escuchar este pequeño audio para que completen lo que se les pide ahí. Así que allá vamos. Listen.
River School are yellow and Castle School are blue. Yes, goal. Castle School 1, River School 0. Oh, now a goal for River School. River School 1, Castle School 1.
Ok, con esto ustedes pueden resolver el audio anterior. Así que, pues bueno, nos vemos. Nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow Wednesday. See you later. Bye bye.